living bubbles, that's a fact. Ain't no patty, crabby, I got I bought my strap into the club, I'm trying to throw it back, and I just hit up deck to him, don't know how to act.
Hey y'all, welcome back. It's me, and today I have a very, very exciting day ahead. I'm actually going to get my first prescription for hormone replacement therapy. And the crowd goes wild. Thank you, thank you. This is really important to me, mainly because states that I come from, like Texas and Oklahoma, it's illegal there. So I never thought that I would get the chance to have access to this therapy or any gender affirming care. I didn't really anticipate moving to Colorado, and now that I'm here, I can have access to trans healthcare. I'm gonna take you along with me. I'm gonna have my partner. We're calling it a road trip, even though it's 40 minutes to an hour away. I think this doesn't work. That's nice. Anywho, yeah, you're coming with me. We'll be knitting and good vibes, so hang tight.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
I fairly recently made the decision that I want to actually start testosterone. Mainly because one of the main things I was kind of concerned of is that it would be really hard to retrain my voice to be able to do the capacity that it has been after I took a bunch of private lessons. I went to college for vocal performance and audio engineering and all that stuff. But then I realized I was vaping and smoking. My voice is already not what it used to be. So I've always kind of hated my voice. I just don't think it fully fits me. So I'm gonna go change that. Am I prepared to have to deal with the second puberty? Probably not. Actually, you know what? I may be the most prepared right now because I have meds now. I'm more mentally stable than I've ever been. So why not? Why not go make permanent changes to my body? You know what I mean? I already have tattoos.
Two hours later.
What do you think? What do you think? I still have to put on pants. But I hate pants. So I probably won't do that until I need to actually leave. For now, this is what we're dealing with. I don't know if I'm giving Steve Harrington, but I really, really want to, so this is the look. I need to study. I have an exam coming up in a couple days, and it's my final exam for the class, and I don't know anything. But yeah, this is the face card.
One pair of pants later.
Alright, so I studied a little, but now we're off to go get some tea juice, to get some man juice. I'm not a man, but boy, do I want the juice. That's terrible. Why would you let me say that?
I don't know.
Alright, you're coming with us, so stay tuned.
The best bitches living bubbles, that's a fucking fact. Ain't no patty, bitches crabby, I got hella ass. I bought my strap into the club, I'm trying to throw it back, and I just hit up deck to hear pussy, don't know how to act. I'm geeked up like I'm DDG, I hit your block in every corner like a fucking DVD. They said the girlies couldn't rap, hit the kitchen, leave them be. I hit them up, black crips and bloods, and boy, I'm trying to see them bleed.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
3 weeks later.
So, I couldn't get my tea. It was just the appointment to see if I can physically handle it. And I can. So we're going back today. We're going back today. We're going back today to, essentially get my prescription. And, we got a friend coming with us, so we're gonna go pick him up. And let me show you how much I've knitted since you last saw me. This is where I started. And this is where I am. So a lot has happened. So I will see you on the road.
Many tic-tacs later.
Hey!
I think we should go to Dutch Bros actually.
You change your vote?
Yeah.
Damn, okay. It's too not sunny for me to wear these. I apologize.
What was the one, the lemonade you were talking about?
The tiger's blood. It's like a strawberry coconut thing. Yeah, it's really good.
This outfit I have on is just like pajamas, but
Hey, you gotta go in comfort. People always talk about the Appalachian Mountains, but no one really talks about the spooky stuff in the Rocky Mountains. It do be spooky.
If you bring food, you could die.
Said if you bring food, you could die.
In certain hiking trails, yeah.
Because of bears?
And mountain lions.
Hey, they're still gonna be nicer to me than a man. I choose the bears, actually.
Hey!
How are you?
Not working.
Good, how are you?
Hey!
Thank you. I love that. That is so sick. The stars and cardigan. All of the
Thank
fits
you.
are phenomenal, first of all.
Thank you.
Of course. What can I get for you guys?
I'll get can I get a large dragon's blood?
Wait, really quick.
you're not
are you
on
guys
here.
Vlogging? No, like I don't.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
No way.
I'm getting.
Let me
I'm
subscribe.
going. I don't have the channel up yet. I'm preparing for it, but I have a tea appointment today, so I'm like.
Oh, nice. Is it like the T progression, like first day on T type of vibe?
Kinda, but this is essentially me just going to get it.
I have a birthday reward. I just remembered.
You have a birthday reward?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Where's Macklemore's box? He can go right there. Yeah.
I watched so many today. Thank you.
That was so good.
Are you joking? He's also really pompous about it too.
Yes, oh my
Like,
God.
he talks like everyone's an idiot. And I'm like, bro, you literally haven't been relevant since Big Time Rush. You are probably the least favorite member of
Yeah,
Big Time Rush.
literally.
No one likes you. Everyone's a Kogan stan. How hard is it to say, hey, genocide's bad?
Like drop
Like, it's-
Operation Olive Branch, like it's really not that fucking hard. Was always like, celebrities really don't have that much power that you guys think. And I'm like, oh really? Then why are you scrambling?
Well, and the thing is, it's never about the power they hold as like a political power, you know? It's always the public opinion influence. More people would know about it if people like Taylor Swift.
Beyonce's a big one. Lady Gaga really pisses me off.
Yeah, how are you going to say you're an activist and that you are for the people, but you're not going to talk out against genocide? I don't understand.
She literally signed the thing backing Israel a while ago.
Like, you see where the intersections lie. There's white feminists, right? And then there's people that aren't racist and deconstruct racism and go past white feminism.
Yeah.
It's so loud when times like these come about.
And the thing is like they get mad that other communities don't rally up when their rights are threatened. And I'm like, You know, we could have prevented this whole thing if you would have stood by people who were disabled or people of color who are poor, you know, queer people. If you would have fought for their rights, yours wouldn't be in danger because you're like the last one who's going to be affected by all these changes. I understand that some people are like afraid to talk about it because the record labels and stuff that essentially own them, because all the debt that they've like accrued from being in the industry are Zionist. But at the same time, at what point are you gonna have a spine?
Yeah, it's like, what are you standing for? There's people that have been like standing up and using their positions or opportunities because they have purpose. Or like they can use what little they have right now to draw attention to what's going on.
One debt to society later.
Ready, gang? Ready? Yeah. Time to get the man juice. You left me. You left me.
Let's go through the chart, make sure everything's updated. I'll borrow a finger if I may. Alright.
Oh shit.
Gotta get that man juice.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
I drink man juice for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Nothing but man juice. Real big and swole. And sweaty and stinky. Or have a complete balanced lifestyle.
I need this filled out and signed for Medicaid.
Alright, thank you.
Nice.
Thanks, Colorado government, for your contribution to my sanity. Your head's a little bigger than mine, so the hat keeps slipping. So you're slipping, Rick. Man juice. Man juice.
Alright, there we go.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Alright, so now I gotta pee. It doesn't say what is the dosage. Got the man juice. It only took 2 weeks of waiting for approval. This box is a little crusty. 0.5 milliliters. Every day. Not every day, every 14 days. Imagine having testosterone every day. And look, it's the tiniest little vial. See that? Hopes and dreams. Years in the making. Also, this next part's gonna have needles, so if you don't fuck with needles, this is your warning. Other than that, here we go. Please don't cry. I will be so sad. Go. Do you want me to do it? No, I can do it. Didn't hurt at all. Good. Oh! Rub it in the belly? Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the show. But yeah. Yay! We got the man juice! Whoop whoop whoop! Thanks, Colorado Medicaid, for your unwavering support of trans people. And yeah, that's it. That's the end of the vlog, I think. Shout out to my baby for helping me with my first shot. But yeah, the 13th of May marks as my tea date. My tea date. So I guess we'll see what happens. Yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll see you later. Bye.